All right, so let's get this bad boy installed. First thing you're going to want to do is double click the Ableton package for the templates. This will install them into your computer. It's going to take a minute to set this up. All right, so now that Live is open, you'll notice it's asking for a destination. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on the desktop for now. All right, so now it is available to us. All right, so now that it is installed on the desktop, we can open the project up and we can pick the template we want. In this case, I am just going to pick the Live standard stock template. So we'll go ahead and fire that one up. No, we don't need to save changes to our old template. Now remember, you can install this anywhere you like, wherever you want it to live. But I'm going to show you how to make it your default template as well. All right, so this is now loaded into Ableton. So here's a step I highly recommend. Go ahead and go into your preferences. So I highly recommend this. Go into the library, and where it says collect files on export, go ahead and set that to always. Or if you're worried about the size of your user library, maybe set it to ask. And the reason I recommend that is that will keep all of your Ableton instruments and samples in your user library, so they won't get lost. They won't have any file system issues. They'll just be exactly where you expect them when you open an instrument. And now if you want to make this your default template, all you do is click File Folder and then click on Save. It says overwrite the default, click OK here. And now whenever you open Ableton, it will come straight up to this template. And just like that, you're up and running.